as always, I'll try to wrap that all into objective analysis, actionable and practical advice that you can implement as you head into your strategic planning sessions this fall, and certainly give you some those tactical initiatives that I think will be beneficial to helping you achieve the kind of performance that you're striving for both this year and beyond. So whether you like or dislike this particular piece of policy, one thing that everyone can agree on is it is extremely complex and very difficult to understand the full ramifications of. And so the first message that I want to communicate on this is you really have to work with a tax professional, someone that can go into the detailed implications of each one of these provisions and talk about how they could potentially benefit you. First and foremost, zooming out, real GDP, which is already adjusted for inflation, is at a record high as of the second quarter of this year. So it shows you that despite all of the things that are going on, the economy at a macro level is proving to be quite resilient. So to wrap things up very quickly for you here and pass it on to Clint to talk about the M&A side, I want to leave folks with a few strategic considerations as they go to plan. Number one, there's a lot of anxiety and fear out there, and a lot of news articles that are designed to make you scared. Make your decisions and make your plans based on good quality data and a thorough understanding of the policy developments. That means when it comes to taxes, work with a financial tax professional or a consultant to understand the implications of the OBBBA. On tariffs, you have to have someone constantly trying to understand what the latest implications are, what the impact of exclusions are, and that data is coming out on a regular cadence. And so people are having to spend weekends trying to understand, how does this affect me? Also, of course, use operations and sales data, and some of the tools highlighted at the beginning of the webinar are great tools to do that in order to drive that decision making rather than allowing fear, anxiety, or emotion to do so. Supply chain mapping is critical, in particular as it pertains to future diversification efforts in terms of mitigating the risk related to the trade volatility. But the key force here is you have to be prepared for a variety of different scenarios. It's not just about making a single plan and implementing it. You have to ask yourself, what will I do if scenario A comes to pass, or scenario B, or scenario C? You have to be ready for a multiple set of outcomes